Nova Market has changed the way that our customers purchase. Previously, customers would come to our Farmgate shop with the exact amount, but now with the Nova Market and the capacity for consumers to pay by card, so it enables a lot more spontaneous decisions to be made within the store. Since then, we've seen an increase of about 20% in revenue.
Here currently, we've been maintaining about 65 to 70% sales increase per week. Nayax is super easy to work with. A lot of customer service reps to be able to answer all my questions. The equipment itself is really self-explanatory, ease of use, multiple payment methods, and the traceability of what we're selling really helps us with shrinkage. The whole system itself is very, very user-friendly.
The customers are able to come into the shop, just purchase the elements directly on the touchscreen pad, tap payment, walk out of the shop, and that whole transaction can happen quite seamlessly. So our customers have been very happy to be able to add to their basket, purchase more things directly from our farm. The Nova Market and the Nayax Cloud enables you to see transactions live. Using that data, we're able to know when our customers are coming and make sure that the shop is stocked at the right times with the right products that customers want.
For us, the highlight of the feature is simply being able to track all of our sales, generate pick list online so that we are bringing out exactly what the customer needs. And so it's a lot less traveling and moving around.